Hey guys, and welcome back to another I Know First video. At I Know First, we've created an artificial intelligence predictive algorithm that forecasts the stock market on a daily basis. Our goal is to find the best investment opportunities and beat the stock market. Today we're going to give you guys the best ETF to buy right now and talk about the I Know First ETF package. Let's begin with an example of an ETF forecast. Here, in this 1-month time frame, we have several ETFs who outperform the S&P 500. EWL, FES, EWI, and EWD all outperformed by a large margin. Not only did they outperform, but all of this was while the S&P 500 was down. The I Know First average return was 2%, while the S&P 500 was down over 3%. Before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description to sign up for our next special webinar. We will be giving plenty of live forecasts for the market, so don't miss out. Now, what is an ETF? An ETF, exchange traded fund, is like a basket of investments, such as stocks or bonds, that you can buy and sell on a stock exchange, just like a regular company's shares. By owning shares of an ETF, you own a small piece of all the investments inside that fund. This allows you to easily invest in many different companies, bonds, or regions without having to buy each one individually. Some assets inside the ETF can have different weights. For example, Apple's weight in the S&P 500 is 7.27%, while Amazon's weight is 3.89%. In short, when you buy an ETF, you are buying a basket of different goods. I Know First has created their own ETF package for people looking to buy the best ETFs. Here is only a small portion of the ETFs in the package. In this package, you can find regional ETFs like EWQ, EWG, EWJ, and so many more. We also have basic index ETFs, such as the SPY, VOO, and QQQ. And if you're looking for forecasts on the GIX Level 1 sectors, then we have that too inside this package. Here is a previous 1-year forecast for the ETFs package that just finished. You can see massive returns from ETFs like TQQQ, SSO, IYG, and FAS, who went up over 86% in 1 year. The average return for this forecast was over 22%, while the S&P 500 return was close to 17%. Now, I Know First's best ETF to buy today is EWG, which is the German ETF. EWG is continuing to have exceptional predictability as well as a great signal on the 3-month time frame. The German ETF has seen exceptional growth recently, as it just had its best 3-day streak since 2022. Germany has had a few catalysts recently, including the German Chancellor announcing a €500 billion spending plan on infrastructure, and the European Central Bank announcing they are cutting interest rates by 25 basis points. Not only that, but if we look at the technical analysis, EWG just broke out of a 7-year resistance line. This is big for EWG. We might see it come down soon and retest the resistance line, but long-term EWG is looking good. Here's a past forecast on EWG. On February 12th, our AI algorithm forecasted EWG to be a top ETF to buy for the next 2 weeks. In these 2 weeks, EWG went up 3.70%, outperforming the S&P 500, which went down by 1.85%. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know your thoughts on this AI algorithm ETF pick. Here's to smarter, AI-driven investing. See you in the next one.